Hi guys, welcome back to Love and Shimmer once again. I hope you guys are enjoying my series of review videos. If you guys haven't checked it yet, I'll be mentioning all the links in the description box so you can check it out after watching this video. So yeah, in this video I am again going to do a review two hair care products, and this time the brand name is Bella Vita. I guess you guys would have heard about Bella Vita. So the brand was very kind enough to send me across their two products for me to try. So they had sent me their shampoo and their hair mask. So the shampoo which they sent is the Growth Protein Volume Conditioning Shampoo, and the mask is also the Growth Protein Conditioning Hair Mask. So instead of the conditioner you can use this mask. So basically the brand is a completely cruelty free and natural brand. So the brand's main objective is to introduce affordable natural brands into the market, because as you guys know that natural and no paraben free products are very expensive than the chemically processed products. So yeah, this brand promotes affordable as well as effective natural products. So I'll give a mini review about this shampoo first. So the shampoo contains a lot of natural ingredients, which is coffee beans, almond oil, neem extracts, brahmi extracts, bhringraj, mixed herb extracts, black seed oil, shikakai, keratin, biotin, argan, castor oil, natural apple cider vinegar, hydrogenated castor oil and vanilla. So this is a complete package of natural ingredients. I did use it for one time and it actually gave me a very lustrous and soft hair. I would not say that it actually gave me hair growth or it reduced my hair fall, but I can say that it gave me a good shine and also soft hair. So yeah, I can vouch on that. The product doesn't have any fragrance. It has a very strong smell of all the oils. It doesn't have any fragrance in it. So as you guys know, I'm a fragrance lover. That's a really big turn off for me because it doesn't have any smell. But if you see on the positive side that it has so much of oils and natural ingredients in it, this is a very good product for your hair. So if you are a very sensitive person who is very allergic to strong fragrances, then you can definitely go for this shampoo, because it's completely natural and it has all the natural ingredients which is beneficial to your hair. I don't know if you guys can see, it also has coffee beans in it. So you can see the coffee beans lying on the bottom of the bottle. So yeah, it's a really good mixture of natural ingredients. So this bottle contains 225 ml of product and the price for this one is 399 rupees. Now coming on to the mask. This mask is a very big tub. It will go a long way. So again, this mask contains all the ingredients which was mentioned before in the shampoo. Now giving me honest review on this mask. So I live in the south part of India and their humidity is on another level. So due to that I have a lot of frizz problems and it's very difficult to tame the frizz in such climate. So after using this mask, I was actually seeing a lot of change in my hair texture. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this, and also this is like a deep conditioning hair spa treatment. So this is like the perfect product right now in the situation which we are all going through. We all cannot go to any salon, so I was getting a hair spa done every week with this product. So this actually claims to add volume and promotes hair growth. It also repairs damage and dry hair. They have also mentioned all the direction how to apply this mask. Again, this mask has a very mild fragrance. It's not that non-fragrance as the shampoo, but this has a very mild fragrance of coffee beans, I guess. So yeah, I like this mask because it has a mild fragrance, and this is a 200 gram of product in this tub, and this retails for 799 bucks, which is on expensive side. So this was my mini review about Bella Vita. I will mention all the links in the description box on where to purchase these products, so do check the description box. So this was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.